Let's begin. Dolphins face a unique challenge. Unlike humans, they must constantly come to the surface to breathe. If a dolphin fell completely asleep underwater, it could drown. To solve this problem, dolphins use a remarkable technique called unihemispheric sleep. This means one half of their brain sleeps while the other half remains awake. One eye stays open to watch for danger, while the other closes. After a while, the sleeping side switches. This allows dolphins to rest while continuing to swim and breathe. Imagine sleeping while still keeping watch over your surroundings. For dolphins, it's simply part of everyday life. Elephants are among the largest animals on Earth, yet surprisingly, they sleep less than many smaller animals. Wild elephants often sleep only 2 to 4 hours a day. They spend most of their time searching for food and traveling long distances. Some elephants can go for days with very little sleep during migration. Researchers have even tracked elephants walking for nearly 2 days without stopping for proper rest. Despite their enormous size, they are some of nature's busiest creatures. Towering above the African savanna, giraffes are constantly alert. Because of their size and vulnerability while lying down, they rarely enjoy long periods of sleep. Scientists have discovered that giraffes often sleep for only 2 to 4 hours per day. Sometimes they sleep in short bursts lasting just a few minutes. Most of their rest happens while standing. Deep sleep is rare because predators like lions can attack at any moment. Their survival depends on staying aware of their surroundings. For giraffes, every minute matters.
Can sharks sleep? The answer is complicated. Many shark species must keep moving constantly so water flows over their gills. Without movement, they cannot get enough oxygen. Instead of sleeping deeply like humans, sharks enter periods of reduced activity. Some species drift slowly through the water while remaining partially alert. Others rest on the ocean floor but stay ready to react instantly. Their version of sleep is very different from ours. Even when resting, they are never completely unaware. One of nature's most incredible abilities belongs to migratory birds. Some birds travel thousands of kilometers without stopping. How do they survive such long journeys? Scientists believe certain species can sleep while flying. Like dolphins, they allow one side of the brain to rest while the other remains active. This lets them continue navigating through the sky. Imagine taking a nap while flying across an ocean. For these birds, it's an essential survival skill. Without it, their epic migrations would be impossible. Ants never seem to stop working, and in many ways, they don't. Instead of taking one long sleep, ants rest through hundreds of tiny naps throughout the day. A worker ant may nap for only a minute at a time. These brief moments of rest add up over the course of the day. Inside an ant colony, different ants rest at different times. This ensures that the colony remains active 24 hours a day. While some ants rest, others continue working. The colony never truly sleeps. Horses have evolved a special ability. They can sleep while standing up. A unique system in their legs allows them to lock their joints and remain upright without falling. This helps them escape quickly if danger appears. Although horses occasionally lie down for deep sleep, much of their rest happens while standing. It is another example of how survival has shaped the sleeping habits of animals, from dolphins that sleep with half their brain, to birds that nap while flying, and giraffes that survive on just a few hours of rest. Nature proves there is no single way to sleep. Every species has adapted to its environment in extraordinary ways. The next time you crawl into bed for a full night's sleep, remember that somewhere in the wild, an animal is surviving with almost none at all. And that may be one of nature's greatest wonders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.